Welcome back. So this is our dashboard after the installation and activation of recommended plugins. You will have the WooCommerce setup, which you can always set up at your own leisure time. So now let's go back. You can see now that all the menu on your left hand side has increased. So we have the theme settings, the wood mat, appearance, and others. So now what we need to do is first deactivate one of the builders. We cannot have two builders activated. So we have Elementor and WP Bakery, which this theme supports, but we only need one for now. So I will go ahead and deactivate WP Bakery and leave Elementor active. So I deactivate this, but I'm not going to delete the plugin. Like I said, any plugin that is not useful, remove them. Child theme configurator was used only once, and that's the end of it. So I would delete, deactivate, and delete. So others will still remain. So now let's go back. In order for me to import, I'll have to go under the settings of this theme. So WoodMart, so you can see base import. In some cases, you may see demo import. In some cases, if you don't find it, please go and read documentation. You will find it there. So you click on base import. So the first thing here says, I need to import base data, which is required. So please go ahead and click on base data. So it's going to count down from 0 to 100%. It may take about a minute or two for it to get to 100%, but you need to allow this process to finish. Different premium themes with their own methods. This does not mean this is the method you meet in another theme, but they are similar. Everything have their own recommendation and processes in importing a particular demo. Right. We can see now that the demo import is done. Base demo content is successfully imported and installed. So now we need to go and choose which of the options we need to use. So I will just choose this. So let me see from the preview. Let's pick one. So demos. So let's pick the demo real estate. So I'm looking for the name. Okay, since it's not easy to find, let's use this cosmetic. So once you pick this, you can easily click on set up version. So it's going to import the demo for you, and awesome. So everything is done. So let's go to the front end of the site to see what we have there. Now this is the website. Now you can see that everything has been imported. So all we need to do now is to begin to edit with Elementor. You can say you can edit and you begin to change, update. Importation was not, images was not imported, but the frame was imported. So it is easy for you to replicate. It's easy for you now to get the actual demo. So this is, let's see, what's this demo? This is cosmetics. So now let's check cosmetics. I think it's up here. Let's see. So let's search. Good. So it's loading. So you can easily check the image sizes, image dimensions from here, and you can easily replicate it on this website. So you see, these are product images. So this is a website that is ready, but you need to update its content. So this is sometimes better than thinking of how would the landing page look like. So before you import, you must have taken a screenshot of the default landing page and probably maybe 2 or 3 and send it to your client to pick from. But while you're doing that, you're making the client understand that fine, this is what we have. Kindly pick from 1 or 2 of this. They will develop the website after this. So those are for clients that don't know how or what their landing page should look like. So in some cases, you can take a screenshot do some little edits, remove the logo. You can remove this logo, this Woodmart logo, and just put a text logo there that says your logo will be here, so the user knows that his or her logo will be there. And for the fact that you want to hide the name of the theme you are using, you need to change that. So you just have to do a bit of editing. So that is why we said from the introduction class, it is important that you have a bit of idea on how to use Paint. Paint basically comes with your PC, Canva. So those are basic tools you need. That does not really mean you're a graphics guy, but you just know how to find your way around it. So we have successfully imported the demo, and the demo can be used as a live site once all these items, all these features, all these dummy content are updated. So what I need to do is I just need to begin to find where and how these content are being called from. How did they come to appear on this page? Now this is a product. How do I edit this product? How do I change the image? How do I change the price? Now all that will be taken under the WooCommerce module, which explains everything, and also it will be explained under the Elementor Builder module. Thank you, and have a nice day.